Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be removing the Peugeot 508 2010 to 2018 glove box. This glove box has a lot of covers and a lot of screws. To the bottom, we're going to unbolt this plastic bolt, and then there will be a T20 Torx screw which we'll need to remove. Next, where the bonnet release handle is, we will need to remove the cover, and underneath there will also be another T20 Torx screw. Open the glove box, remove the courtesy light with a clip remover like so, and then unplug the light. On the inside of the glove box sealing there will actually be 3 Torx screws, however I only showed you 2, I forgot to record the third one. On the side, remove the cover over here, there will also be another Torx screw. It's like they put screws everywhere on this. We'll also need to remove this cover, which is located where your foot goes as a passenger. This is because there's also another 2 Torx screws that are located behind or next to the push to open button for the glove box. So over here now, we'll pull this cover out. And underneath this there will also be another 2 Torx screws. As you can see. And then the glove box will come out. We just need to unplug one dead plug and then the holders for the cables behind the glove box. And that's pretty much it, which is quite a bit. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to support the channel.